Hi children, a very good morning to all. I hope you are safe and fine at home. All of you had your breakfast. Very good. So in the previous class we have read the lesson 2, A Lovely Sunday Morning. What was the story? Yes, a boy, his name is Pradeep, tells us about his family. Tells us about his happy family, is it? Yes, and we have discussed one textual activity. Today let us discuss the question answers and one more textual activity, that is listening activity from this lesson. See children, in the previous year, that means in UKG, you have written the answers in one word. But this year onward, there was a little bit difference. What was that? You need to write the answers in a sentence. You need to write the answers in a sentence. What do you mean by sentence? Yes, a sentence is a group of words which tells us the complete meaning of the sentence. Sentence is a group of words tells us the complete meaning of the sentence. Okay. And one more thing. Whenever we start to write any sentence, the first letter should be in capital letter and at the last we must put a full stop. So whenever we start to write any sentence, the first letter should be in capital letter and at the last full stop. We can see one example.
Ron is playing football. Ron is playing football. Another example, the sun rises in the east. The sun rises in the east. These are two sentences. A sentence always begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. A sentence always begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. See, look at this example. The first one, Sam loves ice cream. Sam loves ice cream. Here you can see the first letter S in capital letter and at the last full stop. Another example, the second sentence, the children are playing. The children are playing. Here you can see the first letter T in capital letter and at the last full stop. So children, when we start to write any sentence, the first letter should be in capital letter and at the last full stop.
Now let us discuss the question answers. See children, first maybe you will think it will be a little bit difficult for you. But you should practice daily, write and practice. Then gradually it will be easy for you. So shall we discuss the question answers?
Answer the following. The first question, what are father and Rajesh playing? What are father and Rajesh playing? What are they doing? Yes, father and Rajesh are playing cricket. Father and Rajesh are playing cricket. What are father and Rajesh playing? Answer, father and Rajesh are playing cricket. The second question, what is Ginger running after? What is Ginger running after? Who is Ginger? Yes, their cat. Answer, Ginger is running after a butterfly. Ginger is running after a butterfly. What is Ginger running after? Answer, Ginger is running after a butterfly. So children, you should write and practice these two question answers. Here is a think and answer question. No need to study just for understanding. From your textbook, page number 8. Is Pradeep's family happy? Is Pradeep's family happy? What's your opinion, children? Is Pradeep's family happy? Yes, because they spend the time together. So Pradeep's family is a happy family just like us. In the story, Pradeep tells us about his happy family. How do you show that you love your family? See children, how do you show that you love your family? Do you love your family? Very good. So we must care for each other. We must take care of others in our family. We must try to make everyone around us happy. We must try to make everyone around us happy. Don't hurt anyone. We should help each other. Okay?
Now let us discuss the listening activity from page number 12. I will play you an audio. Listen that audio carefully, and after that you should do the listening activity from page number 12. I know you don't have the textbook now, but I just attached the PDF of the textbook. So you should try to do the listening activity in the back side of your English notebook. Okay, children?
Listening. Circle the words that you hear. Say the circle words aloud. I am Simi. I am going to the fruit shop with mother. Grandma likes mangoes. Grandpa eats a banana every day. My sister Rimi likes watermelon. I like apples. So mother buys apples, mangoes, bananas and a big watermelon. Children, you should listen this audio 2 or 3 times and circle the words that you hear given in the textbook. In the textbook, they are given the words mother, orange, yellow, mango, father, banana, green, apple, guava, grandpa. So circle the words that you hear.
So today we have discussed the question answers and the listening activity. See children, you should read the lesson 3 or 4 times. Okay, if you feel any difficulty, you should ask to the teacher. And write and study the question answers and the spelling of the new words. Okay children, now we can meet in the next classroom. Till then take care. Bye.